This a square can come down now. So it becomes b into c raised to 4 upon a raised to 4 minus 2, right? Isn't it? So this was plus 2 over here. Now it has come to denominator, so it become minus 2. So what is it now? B into c raised to 4 upon a square. Now this cannot be solved further. So this is the final answer. Doing all these things, like 3 comes to 6 upon 3, this 3 upon 3. This is called as laws of indices. You will be having this in standard 9th. Similarly, over here also, this c raised to 3 going above. So this is laws of indices. And remaining a also, a raised to 4 minus 2. This is laws of indices. Laws of indices means various expressions, means raised to, how to solve them. That is under the chapter laws of indices. Next, in the 5-digit number, now the number is 1b6a3. This is a 5-digit number. A is the greatest single digit perfect cube, okay, and twice of it exceeds b by 7, okay. Then the sum of the number and its cube root is. Now let's first find a and b. A is what? Single digit perfect, biggest single digit perfect cube. So which is the one? Single digit. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. So 27 can't be there. So only 2 cube is 8. So 8 will be the number for A, right? Okay. Now 8, A you have got it as 8. Now what about B? Twice of it means 8 to the 16. 2 into A exceeds B by 7. So 2A equals to B plus 7. But what is A? 8. So 16 equals to B plus 7. So B is what? To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.